What's up everybody, Villager27 here, back with another video. Today I'm with Power Dude 113.
Yep.
And today we're going to be unboxing something a little strange. His mom picked it up. I don't know if it works. It's the Egg Stractor thing. It's what it's supposed to be is you put the egg in and then I guess you squish down and it takes the egg out of its shell, and we have a hard-boiled egg right here. It's the only one out of the three. You see, decided to drop them in, and it shattered everywhere. The other one cracked.
Sorry.
So I have a knife here. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm a professional unboxer, Caleb.
Are you?
I am.
It looks like I'm having a hard time here.
Go watch Unbox Therapy. They're professionals.
I'll watch them.
They're professionals.
Yeah, so I got the good knives.
Ah! Cut myself. No, I'm just kidding. It did hit me and it did hurt. So
one day. So don't be surprised if you find a little red speck.
What do we got here? We got a stop. We got the whole thing. Is there anything else in there?
Yeah, simple.
Here you go, Reyes. Go play with the box. I'm just kidding.
I think
it comes together with a big stop all over it. Before you do this, please read the instruction manual. Okay, I will. Read the instructions. What do we got here?
I'm trying to find it. Just keeps giving me recipes. I want recipes. Oh, here it is. Okay.
So it tells us how to properly boil them.
So we get the egg, put it on there. It says
the egg.
Yes.
Okay. So we put the egg right there.
And then what? Okay. Pierce it. But you pierce through the layers again.
What do we do? Just put it on top and squish.
Make sure you pierce through the inner layer of skin before shell. That's weird. Take the large end of butter.
I already had a bowl.
Which is a small end of egg and space it upward.
So just place it down and squish.
And yeah.
Alright, is there a good shot of it?
Okay, now let's see.
Ready? Failed.
Doesn't look like it's working. Wait. I think it said do this.
No. Oh wait, yeah, you have to.
Yeah, that's what
I've seen it like a good boiling. You want to pierce it before you boil it.
Yeah, look, that's right where it goes. So right there. It says piercing the extractor base. I'm gonna stab it right there. Like that.
Poked it. It's awfully hard.
I know.
I think we have a rock. Are you ready?
Why is it working well? Don't buy this. We are not advertising this at all. Oh my gosh, this is like, it's not working at all.
There we go. I got a little cracked. Oh well, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So now you know. I think we should name this "Does It Suck?" Sorry if I get you mad, Luke.
But just give us the though.
Yeah. It just doesn't work.
Yeah.
Well, while we're here, why don't we shell it and eat it?
Yeah. Eat it. Eat the egg.
I got some salt.
No. I got the force.
Yeah. I know, right?
Here, salt. You're not really here, salt.
The force is not with him. The force is not with him. Force.
The force is with me.
Nope.
I got a bowl of salt. I think it's too much, Mom.
Yeah, I know you can't see it. Suck it up. Oh, that's way too much.
Just rub it. No, just rub it together.
But yeah. Poosh. Okay.
Yeah. Just real.
All right. Salty. We just made a video with him trying Mexican candies the same face.
You need to go check it out or something.
Yeah, link in the description for his channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you dudes in the next video.